Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 82nd question in the series. This question was asked in CBSE examinations of 2013. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos in the series. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now the question says that the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 5n squared plus 3n. So the sum, which is s of n, is denoted in terms of n as 5 of n squared plus 3n. The question says find the 20th term of the AP. Okay, now one formula that you should always remember is that if the sum is given in terms of the value of n, the nth term will always be equal to s of n minus s of n minus 1. Okay, I will highlight the formula here for your reference. Always remember s of n is nth term is s of n minus s of n minus 1. Now the question actually becomes uh, uh, very simple. Okay, now the question becomes very simple because we have to find the nth term. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do here is put down nth term is equal to s of n minus of s of n minus 1. This will become 5n square plus 3n minus of 5. Now remember, n has to be replaced with n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 whole square plus 3 times of n minus 1. Okay, if you solve this, you get 5n square plus 3n minus 5n square minus 10n plus 5 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 5n square plus 3n minus 5n square plus 10n minus 5 minus 3n plus 3, and this becomes 5n square minus 5n square 3n minus 3n, and this is equal to 10n minus 2. Okay, 10n minus 2. So we know that the nth term is equal to 10n minus 2, and the question says that the mth term is 168. Okay, so the question says mth term by our formula will be 10m minus 2, and if the mth term is 10m minus 2, this is equal to 168, which implies that m is equal to 170 by 10, which is equal to 17. So if the mth term is 168, then we found that m is equal to 17, and it wants us to find the 20th term of this series. Okay, so since we know that the nth term is equal to 10n minus of 2, the 20th term will be 10 into 20 minus of 2, which is equal to 200 minus 2, which is equal to 198. So you see the value of m, which is one part of the question, is 17, and the 20th term, which is 820, is equal to 198. And this is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve more questions for you, do shoot your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.